or 5:53 a.m. in Honolulu, and here is the view from our balcony at the Princess Kaiulani Hotel in Waikiki. The hustle and bustle of Waikiki is just beginning. I wanted to walk you through just a little bit of the downstairs view at the Princess Kaiulani Hotel. As you can see, there's the connecting swimming pool, there's a splash bar area, business center, as well as the registration front desk area. Now, directly in front of you, you will see two feather standards. They are in the colors of gold and red. For Hawaiians, those are ali'i colors, ali'i meaning royalty. And in the middle, you'll see a beautiful portrait of the Princess Kaiulani, for whom this hotel is named for. On the opposite side of the room are more kahilis, again signifying the presence of royalty. There are two portraits on this wall, one on the left of Queen Lili'uokalani, who is also a family member to Princess Kaiulani. Queen Lili'uokalani was Hawaii's last reigning monarch. To the right, you will see the portrait of Lili'uokalani's brother, Hawaii's last reigning king. His name, David Kavika La'amea Kamana Kapu'u Mahinulani Naloiaehu o Kalani Lumialani Kalakaua. We decided to do the Diamond Head Leahi State Monument Hike. The trail to the summit of Leahi was built in 1908 as part of the U.S. Army Coastal Artillery Defense System. From the trailhead to the summit of Diamond Head Crater is a 0.8 mile or 1.3 kilometer one way, and the climb is 560 feet from the crater floor. The parking fee is $12 and the hiker fee is $5 each. On the hike brochure that we received, it says Leahi is a fragile resource, and by staying on the trails and not taking shortcuts, we can help save plants and reduce erosion. As you can see, Manuel did go off the trail, and thank God nothing got too crazy. He did tell me the view was especially beautiful from his vantage point. So worth it. And that's the goal way up there. Almost there. Sila. Okay, let's keep going. Looks like Manuel found someplace interesting, so let's follow him. Where'd he go? Oh, I think I found him. Looks like there he is, enjoying the beautiful view of Honolulu. Here's the view looking back into Leahi or Diamond Head crater, and this is where we parked, and this is where the trailhead is. In the distance, you can see parts of Diamond Head, Kahala, and all the way out to Ainahaina and Hawaii Kai area. Just spectacular. According to the brochure, the lookout provides views of southeastern Oahu coastline towards Koko Head and the offshore islands of Molokai, Lanai, and Maui. I wasn't able to see the offshore islands of Molokai, Lanai, and Maui. I'm not sure why. Maybe the weather wasn't clear enough. After enjoying the beautiful panoramic view from the top of Leahi Diamond Head crater, we decided to begin our descent, which took around 30 minutes. And now it's time for a delicious reward of fresh fruit, coconut, and ice cream. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Aloha!